Hi everyone, welcome to one of my favourite parts of the shop. We thought we'd just spend a couple of minutes talking about batik fabrics and showing you some of the kits and the various little bundles that we put together at Village Fabrics using these lovely fabrics. The really important thing about these fabrics is that they do most of the work for you. They are all produced out in Indonesia and sometimes really very reliant on the weather because the techniques that are used are still very primitive. It's a matter of wax designs being put onto fabric and then being dyed, and quite often dyed repeatedly to achieve some of the effects. But I just think they're lovely. So we have some kits that we have put together to make up some very straightforward quilts. So these are just rectangles on rectangles, so that makes it a very straightforward project for a beginner. Equally, then we do have something that's a little bit more challenging. These are hunter stars in rainbow designs. All of these are on our website, so you can have a better look at them there. We also enjoy making little bundles up like this. These are really good fun. If you want to do some applique with the batiks, which I would recommend, because the processing that they go through tends to mean that they are a much tighter weave and they don't fray as much. So really useful for doing small pieces of applique. You get little bundles of 4 10-inch squares, so it's the equivalent of a fat quarter, but obviously gives you choices if you're making flowers or doing some landscape work. Again, we do carry some bally pops, not as many as we used to because the prices just seem to keep going up and up. So what we've started to do is create some smaller bundles. We have 8 fat quarters here. We do these in different color combinations. We of course do half meters and fat quarters, and something that we have started to do to give you variety, these are little packs where you have 8 fat eighths, so it just gives you more opportunity to expand the colors in your stash. We also do packs of fat quarters. There's 5 in this one, or we tie them up into pretty little bundles if you're looking for a present. We also, looking on the back wall here, have a number of bag kits which people are always very happy to receive as a present. We do them as kits or as patterns. A bit of fun here with some spools for perhaps a wall hanging for your sewing room. A batik book cover, so we've used batik fabrics to make a cover that would equally go over an iPad. And our very latest kit is this Hare in the Garden. This is just a lovely little bit of hand applique and embroidery. So you can see that I spend quite a lot of time in this part of the shop, and it's why it's positioned where it is, because I can see it from the counter at the front. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little visit to a corner of our shop. I hope we'll see you here soon. Keep well.